Welcome to the Workbench. I'm Doug. Babylock's introduced two great machines, the Babylock Altair and the Meridian. Both machines work with the IQ Intuition Positioning app. But if your phone's not communicating with your machine, then that's not so cool. And today we're going to show you just how you can improve that. Most of the time we see that the problem occurs from the internet security permissions in your home network. But guess what? We don't even need internet to connect the phone to the machine. We've found that if you purchase an inexpensive router dedicated to your machine, this will give you much more success. And as you see on our router, we have a flashing light for the internet, which is not even necessary. We don't even have the cable plugged in. But we do have a strong Wi-Fi signal that's communicating from here to your machine. So first, we'll go to the icon like we saw on our router. Then we want to name our machine. So I'm not crazy about sewing machine, so I'm going to change it to Doug. We're just going to backspace and spell out Doug. And OK. Now that we have the machine name set up, make sure your wireless is enabled and go to your wireless setup wizard. And now it's searching for the router. So we want to select the TP link, and we want to enter the password, which is going to be found on this one on the bottom of the router. So this password is 23584860, and then we're just going to touch OK. Apply settings. OK. And we're connected. Okay, wasn't that easy? Okay, now I can go back to my phone app. The first thing we want to do is make sure that we have your phone connected to the Wi-Fi of your router. Then we'll open up our IQ Positioning app. And you would touch search, and now it's searching for machines. It shows here the machines connected to the wireless LAN was detected. Pre-select your machine. And then I want Doug. And finish. Now we're ready to have some fun. That's all there is to it. And once you set it up once, you'll never have to set it up again. Now that you know, get out and sew.